Welcome to online class, my dear student. How are you? I am fine. I am Nur Mohammed, Assistant Teacher English, Islamia High School, Tafamudipur, Kaunia, Rangpur. I shall teach English second paper, class 10, Unit 7, Lesson 3. Notice these sentences. Korean is sincere to his studies. Korean is not insincere to his studies. I like Bangladeshi food. I do not dislike Bangladeshi food. Do you find any sense between first two and last two sentences? Yes. No. Yes. Our today's topic, transformation of sentences, affirmative to negative. Learning outcomes. After the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to write the definition of transformation of sentences, identify the rules of transformation of sentences, transform sentences affirmative to negative. Definition. Transformation is a process is changing sentence without changing its real meaning. Example, Arif is a good student. Arif is not a bad student. Both sentences have the same meaning. The rules of transformation of sentence affirmative to negative. Rule 1. Must replace with cannot but cannot help. Example. Affirmative, we must follow the rules of health. Negative, we cannot but follow the rules of health. Or we cannot help following the rules of health. যদি cannot help হয় তাহলে মূল ভার্বের সঙ্গে আইএনজি যুক্ত হয়। রুল 2, only alone replace with number person God. Only replace with nothing but thing. Example, affirmative, only Rohit can ride the tree. Negative, none but Rohit can ride the tree. Only the book was found. Nothing but the book was found. Only replace with not more than or not less than. Example, affirmative, area is only 2. Negative, area is not more than 2 or area is not less than 2. Affirmative, I have only 10 taka. Negative, I have not more than 10 taka or I have not more less than 10 taka. Notice the transformation of the following sentences. Only he can drive the car. Ruplal took a bag only with him. We must become aware of it. None but he can drive the car. Ruplal took nothing but a bag with him. We cannot but become aware of it. Both dash dash and both is replaced with not only and is replaced with but also. Example: affirmative, both Kamal and Jamal are present. Negative, not only Kamal but also Jamal are present. Affirmative, Rohim has money and talent. Negative, Rohim has not only money but also talent. Rule 4, everyone, everybody, every person, every plus common noun, all replaced by there is no plus attached word plus but. Example: affirmative, every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Affirmative, every king has a crown. Negative, there is no king but has a crown. Transform the following sentences into negative. He is both a singer and dancer. Every king has a crown. He is not only a singer but also a dancer. There is no king but has a crown. Rule 5, always replaced by never. Affirmative word is replaced by antonym. Example: affirmative, the ideal always lag behind. Negative, the ideal never process. Affirmative, I always remember you. Negative, I never forget you. Rule 6, as soon as replaced by no sooner had, comma, replaced by than. Example: affirmative, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Negative, no sooner had the thief seen the police than he ran away. Rule 7, auxiliary verb is followed by not. Affirmative word is replaced by antonym. Example: affirmative, he is a regular student. Negative, he is not an irregular student. He was an honest man. Negative, he was not a dishonest man. Transform the following sentences into negative. His parents always liked her. We believe in Allah, God. His parents never disliked her. We do not believe in Allah. No sooner had the students heard the bell than they entered into class. Homework. Transform the following sentences into negative. Number 1. She alone lives in this building. Number 2. Everyone has a liar. Number 3. Jim was only 22. Number 4. Traveling is always welcome. Number 5. You must obey your parents. Number 6. I always remember you. Number 7. Mr. Rashid is a writer and director. Number 8. As soon as the rain stopped, I went out. Thank you all. Stay home. Stay safe.